Macvlan is a Linux-based virtual network card technology that allows users to create multiple virtual network cards on a single physical network card and assign a unique MAC address to each virtual network card. These virtual network cards behave as if they are independent devices on the network. If you want to impose individual network speed limits on containers or set up edge computing service containers that share the network with the NAS and have a dedicated IP, you can use Macvlan for configuration. Before creating a Macvlan, we need to set up a network bridge. If you have already set up a network bridge, you can skip this step. Go to Control Panel, Network Settings, Network Connection, and click Network Bridge to configure. Choose between a regular bridge or a virtual bridge as needed. If there is no need for a regular bridge, it is recommended to choose a virtual bridge. When creating a virtual bridge, select the physical network card you want to bridge and click Apply. The system will generate a virtual bridge network card. On the Docker page, click Network. Add to enter the Network Configuration interface. Customize the network name for easy identification and management. Select Macvlan as the network mode, and in the Network Card column, choose the physical network card you want to use to create the Macvlan network. Configure the IPv4 and IPv6 addresses for Macvlan. Typically, the IPv4 address will be automatically assigned, and the network will be automatically set to the same subnet as the NAS and use the same gateway. If you need to enable IPv6, you will need to configure the relevant parameters. After confirming that all configurations are correct, click Confirm to complete the creation of the Macvlan network. After creating the Macvlan network, we still need to modify the container's network configuration for it to take effect. In Docker, click on Container, select the container you want to configure with the Macvlan network, click on the three dots, and click Edit. By default, containers that have been created cannot directly change the network mode. Click on the Edit Anyway button in the top prompt, change the container's network mode to Macvlan and select the Macvlan network you just created. Set the IPv4 address, which needs to be on the same LAN as other devices. To avoid IP conflicts, it should be an unused IP address within the LAN. After setting, click Save to apply the changes.